Hello, everybody. I hope everybody had a nice holiday. Happy Easter. Welcome to the pound. So starting off on the monthly time frame, I'm starting off on the monthly time frame because it is the end of the month. Monday will be 1st of April. So looking at the monthly time frame, maybe just zooming out. I have been biased on the sell side for quite some time now, and we can see we had a range here. Price broke below, then went back for a sort of retracement, and now price has still been dangling over here. I have a resistance level over here because I think that we are still going to be selling. We can see that we closed the month off with, this is almost like a gravestone doji, like this here. And in my opinion, I think that is an indication of selling pressure. And I think that, we will continue selling so that we can fill up this space before maybe going up. That is just my opinion as for now. I have been on the sell side, and I think this further confirms that I should be looking for sells this April. So going over to the weekly time frame. So last week we didn't really close below any of these levels. We're almost still stuck in this sort of range-ish situation. I wanted us to at least close below to confirm the sell bias, but even still, I'm okay with this. Maybe when we go down to the lower time frames, we'll see it clearly. But yes, basing off the monthly time frame, I am still on the sell side. Going over to the daily time frame, let me just delete this here. So daily time frame here, this is the range that we had. And then price, for some reason, this end of March did not close below. It's still now hovering above this, not above, but on this range support level over here. I was hoping for it to go down, but it did not. But still, this is pretty good. I like this candle that was here. I still think that, yeah, we will be going to the downside. And maybe just look for, this is the distance of the range, the width. And yeah, maybe we can have this level over here. This is just me. Again, I'm just, eyeballing it. Yeah, so I'm hoping maybe price could get to this level once it breaks. Because the price did close up on this level, I still think that maybe it might push up a bit before going down, but maybe just here and then maybe go down. But also, it might still break and then just continue going down. But in my view, I think there's something that might happen here. So just going over to the 4-hour time frame. Yes, now we can see things much more clearly. Now, if you watched my previous video, then I was hoping for retracement at least to the 50% fib level. I still think this 32 is not the most convincing, because you can see as much as it did react at the 38.2, sorry, we still weren't able to push down. We're still hovering around this range over here. So I think that maybe we might come to this 50% fib level and then go down. And we can see that we do also have a resistance level over there as well. Also, I don't know if it's just me, but I can see like a shape. Let me see. I don't know. I feel like I can see like a symmetrical triangle. I don't know if it's just me. Look at that, guys. What do you guys think? So I don't know if this is indeed a symmetrical triangle. Maybe there would be a breakout. Let's see, to the top, just measuring this distance over here. Maybe a breakout to the upside, like a retracement, and then maybe going down. But if not, then of course I would like to see a breakout to to the sell side, because it's much safer taking sells than buys. But yeah, that's my analysis for that one. So yes, just to clarify again, I would be hoping for retracement up to that level and then go down. But if not, then just going down from that level over there. And also the main reason I'm also like hoping that price can get up to here is so that we can just form that trend line. Of course it doesn't have to, because price might end up doing some action down here. But I think something like this might be cool, or even here, so that we can bounce off there because we're still in the middle of the range, and then go down. So yeah, that's my analysis on the 4-hour time frame. That is what I would like to see. So going over to the 1-hour time frame, let me just clear this. So let's see. On the 1-hour time frame, I normally put margins for the week. So this is the week's sort of movement, and maybe let me clear that. Looking at that was the week's high, and this is the week's low. And yeah, I'm hoping that maybe now we can have a breakout below Friday's low, which is in a different color, maybe something like that, a retracement and then go down. But if not, I don't think I'll be comfortable looking for buys. This distance is just, it's not really it. The risk to reward is looking a bit scary. I like to have at least a 30 pip stop loss. But yeah, no, this is not something I'd be looking for. But again, it depends because I'm an intraday trader. So sometimes I like to look for one trade a day at least. So that's my analysis for the 1 hour time frame, hoping for a sell, and maybe if not, it's just a retracement back to this level and then take it down. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so just looking at the dollar index just very, very quickly. This is the 4 hour time frame. Let me see what the monthly has to say. Okay, so the monthly, yeah, we can see here, this is the monthly time frame. It was ranging, we broke above, retraced, it still hasn't broken below here, and I still think that we're going to go up to cover this move that was over here. Going over to the weekly. So the weekly, yeah, we're pushing up. We can see we had a retracement. This is the 50%. Yeah, we had a reaction around this point. And yeah, I still think that we are going to be pushing up on the dollar. So daily, just very, very quickly, still pushing up. I still think that there's some room for price to get to this level here, but I guess we'll just have to see. And this is the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, I think that price might be able to push up. I don't know. I don't like this rejection over here, but we'll see. In case the dollar does retrace though, that'll be nice because that will confirm the retracement on the pound as well. So maybe a retracement to this level here before pushing up. I think that will be cool. That's what I would like to hopefully see. But I don't know. I'd like to know your opinion as well. Tell me what you think in the comments. Just looking at the calendar now very, very quickly. I am based in Kenya, so all of this is in East African time. On Monday, we still have a holiday on Monday, but we do have some news on USD 5 p.m. Tuesday, 5 p.m. Wednesday, some USD news as well. And on Thursday, we have some news at 3:30. And 5, we have NFP. Is it an NFP? Yes, non-farm employment change. Yeah, so I guess I'll be looking out for these. Normally the news doesn't really affect my trading because I'm a technical trader, but I still like to be on the lookout. So yeah, that's my analysis. I hope you gained something from it. Again, this is just my opinion, so obviously I don't really know if I'm going to be right or wrong. But yeah, just sharing it on the internet. Road to 200 subscribers. Please subscribe and have yourself a nice holiday, and bye-bye.